Given Mars lacks the geological process called plate tectonics that generates earthquakes on our planet, scientists suspected a meteorite impact had caused this Mars quake. But a search for an impact crater came up empty, leading scientists to conclude that this quake was caused by tectonic activity, rumbling in the planet's interior, and giving them a deeper understanding about what makes Mars shake, rattle and roll. We concluded that the largest Mars quake seen by InSight was tectonic, not an impact. This is important as it shows the faults on Mars can host hefty Mars quakes, said planetary scientist Ben Fernando of the University of Oxford in England, lead author of the research published this week in the journal Geophysical Research Letters. There are still faults that are active on Mars. The planet is still slowly shrinking and cooling, and there is still motion within the crust even though there are no active plate tectonic processes going on anymore. These faults can trigger quakes, Fernando said. The researchers determined that the 4.7 magnitude quake was centered in the Alcahira Vallis region in the Martian southern hemisphere, roughly 2,000 kilometers southeast of InSight's location just north of the equator. They think it originated perhaps a few dozen miles below the surface. The absence of a crater in our image search for this large Mars quake represents a significant milestone in interpreting seismic signals on Mars, Charalambous said. On Earth, a quake of this size would probably break windows, shake things off shelves, etc., but would not bring the house down, Fernando said. Charalambous said the location of the majority of the Mars quakes detected by InSight remained uncertain, with a poor understanding of the mechanisms that triggered them.